The next transition metal compound is hexamine cobalt 3 chloride, and it will having this formula. So let us start with the method of preparation first. It will having two methods. In first method, it is prepared by bubbling air through a solution of cobalt 2 chloride containing ammonia and ammonium chloride in the presence of activated charcoal. So this golden brown color precipitate will get formed, which can be isolated by the crystallization. So it is the first method. In second method, it is prepared by using hydrogen peroxide as a oxidizing agent instead of air for the complete oxidation of cobaltus, which is cobalt 2 positive, to cobaltic, which is cobalt 3 positive oxidation state, and finally this compound will get separate out. Properties of this compound: it is a golden brown solid and soluble in water. Then stability: cobalt 2 state is generally considered to be more stable than cobalt 3 state. But most of the compounds of cobalt are with oxidation state 3. So there is an question why cobalt 3 compound are formed at all. So the flowing region has been suggested. The cobalt 3 positive is a strong oxidizing agent. As a result, cobalt 3 ion get itself reduced to cobalt 2 state easily. The reduction potential of half reaction is very high, that is equal to 1.84 volt. Such a high value show that cobalt 3 positive can exist and can oxidize water to oxygen rapidly. So this equation showing in which cobalt 3 positive will change to cobalt 2 positive and it will oxidize water to oxygen gas. So this is the reason behind that there is no aqueous chemistry of cobalt 3 exists, as it get reduced to cobalt 2 positive state readily. In this case, only a few simple stable salt of cobalt 3 are known, such as cobalt 3 fluoride, cobalt 3 sulfate having this formula are known. However, in the presence of complexing neutral ligands such as ammonia, cobalt in the oxidation state 3 is stabilized. So it is all about the stabilities. The next property is it is stable in acids such as concentrated sulfuric acid and get converted into sulfate, but it does not decompose in it. So in this case, this hexamine cobalt 3 chloride get react with sulfuric acid and get converted into hexamine cobalt 3 sulfate. Then next reaction is with sodium hydroxide and it will get decomposed to cobalt 3 oxides. The next reaction is exchange reaction. In this case, the complex will undergo exchange of ammonia molecule by amines such as ethylene diamine. So let us consider this reaction. In this case, hexamine cobalt 3 chloride that is treated with ethylene diamines, and the ammonia ligand that will get exchanged out, and finally this product will get formed, and where N may be 1, 2 or 3, or sometime they are also such as nitrate, nitrite, chloride and hydroxyl anions. So these reactions are showing the exchange for these various anions. Then next reaction, its aqueous solution react with silver nitrate solution, precipitating silver chloride which is soluble in ammonium hydroxide. So silver nitrate, it will react with chloride ion and precipitates of silver chloride will get formed, and it is soluble in ammonium hydroxide, and finally this soluble diamine silver 1 chloride complex will get formed. So it is the reaction of hexamine cobalt 3 chloride with silver nitrate in ammonium hydroxide. Next is the structure of hexamine cobalt 3 chloride complex. So according to conductance measurement study, it will indicate the presence of 4 ions in its solution. The one is the cobalt ion having this formula, and 3 are the chloride ions. The 6 ammonia molecule occupy the 6th corner of the octahedron, and the complex possesses octahedral geometry with D2sp3 hybridization, and it is explained on the basis of valence bond theory. So cobalt, it will having atomic number that is equal to 27, and in ground state the electronic configuration of cobalt that is represented by these orbitals. It will having 7 electron in 3d orbital and 2 electron in 4s orbital. In the complex, cobalt is 3 positive, and it is formed by the loss of these 3 electron, 2 from 4s and 1 from 3d. So it is the electronic configuration for 3 positive, cobalt 3 positive in ground state. In this case, the complex, it will having 6 ammonia ligand. So in order to accommodate these 6 ligand, 6 empty orbital is required. So it is achieved by pairing of electron, and it is take place by shifting of these 2 electron to the inner electron, and finally it will having these 6 empty orbital, in which 2 are 3d, 1 is 4s and 3 are 4p, and finally the hybridization will take place, in which these 6 orbital will get hybridized to form the D2sp3 hybridization, and finally the complex will get formed, and resulting ion is inner octahedral complex, and it has no unpaired electron, so it is diamagnetic in character. So in this case, the 6 ammonia ligand, they can occupy the 6 corner of an octahedrons. So it is all about the structure of hexamine cobalt 3 chloride complex.